Hey travelers, this is a quick tour of my room at the Mandalay Bay Hotel in Las Vegas. The room itself had a really long hallway and I thought that was a little weird at first, but it turned out to kind of buff the hallway noise, so I think that was actually really nice. This room is sadly not facing the strip this time, but it is a double king resort room and it made it really big and spacious. It's 550 square feet and that works out really nicely. I was here for a work trip, and so normally I wouldn't stay this far down the strip. I'd almost say that this hotel is at the beginning of the strip, and I like to kind of stay in the sweet spot in the middle where it's like Paris Bellagio area. And that's just really because seeing the other hotels is 50% of the fun of coming to Las Vegas. With that said, I will say the hotel was great. This bathroom was awesome. I also love the tub. Yes, ladies, I got into the tub at least once, so I was very proud of myself. We always want one, and then we never get around to actually using it. I used it. I will say that what I also really loved about this view was that it was unobstructed. I could see kind of the mountain range area, and that was cool. And then on top of that, its location at the end of the strip made it easy to walk to the famous Las Vegas sign. Another plus of this hotel is its rooftop bar, the House of Blues. You get these amazing unobstructed views of the strip and of the city before the strip even begins. So I kind of feel like that's almost like a hidden gem because it's not in the middle of everything, but it was really great to go up there. And I think that's everything, so I hope you guys enjoy your trip. Travel safe, and I'll see you in the next one.